Tomato!
Hello, my dear friends, my followers, and those of you that loves to learn how to cook excellent dishes. Today, I have very special episode of Alma's Kitchen. You are going to love it. I have a special guest. Let's see. This is my very first guest that I invited to cook with me. Can you guess who it is? Hey! It is my very firstborn, Shayla!
Hi everyone! I'm
Thank
so
you.
excited to be here and learn how to cook. What are we making?
Oh, we are making special Bosnian dish called Musaka.
Ultimate one.
Ultimate, because Shayla is here, we have to make ultimate Musaka.
To be top.
Yes. Yes, thank you, Shayla, for coming.
Thank you for having me. I'm so excited.
I've been calling her so long, and finally she find a little bit time for her mama to come over and help her to cook.
Of course.
Yeah, should we start making moussaka?
Yes.
Okay.
Let's
Let's get ready. Okay, let's start with our ultimate moussaka. We are going first to peel and chop the onion. I'm going to peel and you're going to chop.
I can do that.
Okay,
I can do that.
deal.
I'm good at chopping.
Yeah. Then here is your chopping pieces. Yeah, this is your chopper. You can start chopping large.
Uh-oh, watch out!
Yes,
Don't-
pound that chopper.
Don't piss me off. Oh.
Don't
Or
piss
do.
off
Or do.
Shayla.
I'll just get it out like that.
Here you go. See, you should come and cook with your mama a long time ago to take that stress out. You know? Yeah. Oh, Ben. I've been calling her for so many days. Come and help me to cook. Instead of calling me in the middle of the night, hey mom, how are you cooking this? Now you are going to explore with your mama. Here you go.
Thank you.
That is our preparation for first step of ultimate moussaka. Next step. How's going with Shayla? Really easy, schmeezy.
I'm loving it.
Yes, me too. It's so nice to have you help.
3 hours later.
Okay, now this is what we got.
Finely
We're chopping
diced.
onion with the magic chopper operated with Shayla's hand.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, big applause for you from everybody.
Wow.
Now, Shayla, let's check your temperature on a stovetop, medium. Then let's add 2 tablespoons of olive oil in your heated pan on the stovetop.
Okay.
I think it's a little bit more. You need a little bit more. Yeah. More olive oil. Then it's time for your chopped onion to dump in that.
All right.
Ooh,
Nice sizzle.
nice sizzle sound. Perfect. Let's stir.
Okay.
Here, like that. Super. Let's now add half tablespoon of pink Himalayan salt.
That's about half.
Don't be shy.
Oh yeah, I'm going back for more. Going back for
Go
more.
full. That is half tablespoon. Just fill it up. Load. And then also that same half tablespoon of ground black pepper. Don't be shy. Go next one.
Okay, so we're doing a full
Yes.
tablespoon then.
No, that is actually half tablespoon. Yes.
I
Yes.
thought it was one.
No, I got
Okay.
ready for you, Shayla. Don't
Oh,
worry.
okay, okay.
Yeah, everything is ready. Now get a low heat.
You
Yeah.
think I'm gonna burn it or what?
No, that onion has to be like I'm slowly sauteing on that pan. Yeah. Because now we have to move and prepare for Shayla's pan. Next ingredient will be mushroom. What is the name of this mushroom, Shayla? Do you remember?
Baby Bella.
Baby
Mushroom.
Bella mushroom.
How many?
We will have 5 baby bellas.
Okay.
Yeah. Don't forget to stir. Did you load that temperature?
Yes.
Of course. And
Listen
our,
to my mama.
as usual, little lovely girl, Shayla. She will be always little for me. And beautiful, of course. Mushrooms, we are going to chop 3 garlic cloves for that special infusion of ultimate Musaka. Shayla,
Yes.
do you remember when last time you went to Bosnia? What was your best memory of Bosnia?
My best memory was when I first came, when I surprised my grandma and aunt. They didn't know I was coming to see them. So
Yes.
all of our extended family lives in Bosnia. And we rarely get to see them, maybe like every 2 or 3 years. So every
Yeah.
time we see my grandma, grandpas, and aunts, I mean, we have grown
Yeah.
like, I don't know, a lot. But my favorite moment was surprising them. So they didn't know that I was coming.
By yourself.
By myself.
Yeah.
And then one day I just rang the doorbell, and when my aunt opened the door, and when she opened the door, her face,
That's
it was
a lovely
priceless.
moment.
It was
I
priceless.
know.
I'll have to show you. She was in shock that I was just standing at the door. And then she called my grandma to the door because they were living together at the time. And it was just the best moment ever. I could tear up right now thinking about it.
Me too. I remember
But
that
it was
moment
so
just watching.
cute.
Yeah.
I just love surprising people.
Then it's time for mushrooms. Finely chopped mushrooms. What you said is the name of the mushrooms? I keep forgetting.
Baby Bella.
Baby Bella.
Baby Bella mushroom.
Mushrooms and finely chopped garlic.
It smells so good already. This is like a dynamite mixture.
Yeah.
Whenever you're making or sauteing onions, mushrooms, and garlic, the whole house just smells so good.
Oh.
You know it's gonna be a good
Infusion
meal.
of
You know
those-
it's gonna be a good meal when you smell this.
Yeah. You should now dump that 1 tablespoon of dry vegetable spice, non-salt vegetable spice.
Where'd you
Then that is from Costco actually.
Costco.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Very unusual that you can find unsalt.
Yeah,
spices.
non-salted seasoning.
Yeah,
Wow.
non-salt.
Nice. Okay.
And then next one it's Spanish paprika, also 1 tablespoon of Spanish paprika,
oh yeah.
like that. Yes. Then next we are ready to place pound and a half ground beef. Should I go on this way?
Should I turn up the heat?
Yeah, now we will go on medium
Okay. Alright.
heat, like that. Yeah, make sure to nicely chop that ground beef like that. Perfect. And then let's cook next, probably I would say 5 minutes.
Alright, Mom, this looks like it's getting close to the end.
Oh,
and
yeah.
Cooked?
Yeah,
What's
yeah.
next?
Yeah, looks perfect. Next, you can add that thyme pieces.
Okay, I'll add some thyme.
Sometime. Yes. Yeah.
Sometime.
For-
time.
Yeah. Yes. Sometime. Then parsley after that, and stir
Is that how
again.
you do it? You gotta do it like the opposite way that the leaves are sprouting?
Exactly. Wow. Huh. You are becoming real cook, Shayla.
Because I watch your videos.
Oh. Do you like my videos that I'm preparing for you?
Yes,
Do you
I
have-
love them because all of my favorite childhood meals
Yeah.
I can now make on my own because, I mean, they were...
That's exactly the reason why I'm making it. It's enough. It's enough. Don't do anymore. Yeah, just parsley, like few
Okay.
leaves of parsley.
And then parsley, okay.
Yep. Mm-hmm. Like that. He
loves
loves
me?
me. He loves me
Ah,
not.
Jinx! How did you know?
Same thing. Yeah, all girls trick.
Yes.
Oh.
Loves me not. He
Then
loves
he
me.
loves me.
Oh!
Yeah. Then it's time to turn your oven on bake and 400. Let's preheat the oven. Yep, bake 400. Start. Perfect. Put that on low heat. Yep.
Okay, this looks done.
Yes.
About
Let's
ready to
leave it
go?
aside. Yeah.
Okay.
You can help me now
Next?
too. Next will be peeling and cutting potatoes.
Okay.
How about if you peel and I'm gonna cut?
Okay.
Huh?
Yes.
Yeah, let's do that.
I can do that.
Hey Shayla,
Yeah.
what else you remember from Bosnian memories when you
So
visit
many.
Bosnia?
So many good memories.
Do you know which one is really funny when you were at the balcony enjoying your morning coffee and grandpa locked you in the balcony?
Yes. So my grandpa came out to have some coffee with me, and he finished his coffee pretty quickly. I like to sit and look at the view and think and be on my phone a little bit. My grandpa, he came out, took it like 3 sips of coffee, and then he left the balcony. And he locked me out. He
Oh,
locked me.
He actually was with you on the balcony.
Yeah.
Oh.
He locked me out on the balcony. My grandpa always locks me out. Nobody's in the kitchen to open the door. Way! And he left the apartment. So I was on the balcony by myself, like, and I have no way to reach him because my grandpa doesn't really, he's never on his phone. Like, he has this old phone.
Yeah.
Just it has
But you
numbers.
can call
Yeah, you can just
somebody.
call people on it.
Yeah.
And then, yeah, so he left me out on the balcony, so I'm like, what am I gonna do? I don't know when he'll be back. I don't know where he went. How am I gonna reach him? And
I
he's the
remember
only
that
one
story.
there
Oh
at
my
the
God.
time. And
And then what did you do?
my aunt and grandma, they were in Turkey, you know,
But
and
thanks God you had phone with you on balcony. Thanks
yeah.
God.
So I had to
You have to search online what's going on
I
on
had
your
to
phone.
message
That helps you.
I had to message my aunt and grandma in Turkey and tell them that my grandpa just locked me out on the balcony and
Turkey.
I'm stuck. And then so they had to somehow reach him from Turkey to Bosnia. They finally contacted him, and
Wow.
he You rescued
I
me.
think that's good. Wow, that's funny story. Really.
It was funny.
Wow. You see now for this moussaka, this is how you cut these potatoes on these nice thin, like 1/4 inch
Yeah.
thick rings.
Slices.
Rings, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. What else is fun about
it's
Bosnia? Huh? What is your favorite to do in Bosnia that you cannot do here? I mean, not you
My
cannot. but
favorite
some routine.
is.
Your daily routine, what you're doing over there.
Oh, we went to the farmer's market every day. I went with my grandma, and we would just go to walk to the farmer's market and
Fresh
pick out all the
food.
fresh produce and then make it for dinner that night.
Mhm.
And
Yeah.
that was awesome. I just love doing that and
Smell of
the
the
smell of
fruits and vegetables.
fresh produce of it just has such a good smell.
Especially those wild berries, blueberries and wild strawberries, those mini.
Yeah, those little ones, they're so
They have
cute from the
special
mountains.
smell.
They're like mountain
Actually,
blueberries.
I have a jar of them
Oh,
here.
yeah.
Yeah, look at them.
I can smell them.
Yeah, it reminds me of Bosnian farmers market that we goes every day.
Yeah.
And then while we walking to farmers market, that's
The bakery.
bakery.
Is that what you were gonna say?
Yes.
Oh
How
my
you
gosh.
know? I mean, how you know? It is all signature of Bosnia.
Yes. Those, you can smell the baked goods from the bakery
I
a
know.
mile away.
Yeah.
You know when you're close.
I mean, actually, they have those
So
bakeries on every street.
Yeah, I know.
They
You're
don't
close.
leave you alone.
I know.
You just finish.
Which is the best.
Yeah. Musaka, it's really kind of like lasagna. Layer of potatoes, layer of meat with infused spices, and again, layer of potatoes, then eggs, cream mixture, cover it, then bake.
Yes. So good. So it ends up being creamy, moist.
Yeah.
Goodness.
Mm-hmm. Then when we cut potato, we add a little bit of olive oil until cover all these potatoes that we cut.
Okay.
Then help me please.
I was gonna ask, do you need any salt and pepper?
Yes.
How
I
much?
need some salt and pepper. Put half spoon. Yeah, perfect. Just
Sprinkle.
sprinkle, little star.
Salt Bay.
And you stir nicely this salt.
Okay, and how much pepper should I
Hey guys, what are you cooking?
Hi,
Oh,
Christina!
wow.
How are you? What are you doing?
Hi.
Oh, long time
Smells
to
good.
see you.
This
Thank
is my
you.
best friend, Christina.
How long do you know each other for?
11 years now.
11 years. Wow, it is.
That
Has
is real
been.
friend. Hey, do you know what? Maybe she can help us. We are
I'd
almost
love to.
really.
Yeah.
Oh, we have extra helper.
Yes, teamwork makes the dream work. That's
Yeah, yeah.
the best.
Yeah?
How about
What
we
can I
just,
help with?
Yeah, we have to prepare now cream for we're making moussaka.
Moussaka.
Yeah, did you ever try moussaka? It's
No.
like a Bosnian dish.
No, but I'm excited.
She's lucky she's going to try tonight. Are you excited?
And I get to help make it.
Yes, exactly. You're going to crack these 3 eggs in
Okay.
that dish. And this is like a garbage.
Okay, so I can
bowl.
just toss them in there.
Yes. Yeah. You
How much was that? How
Yeah,
much?
half a tablespoon.
Okay.
Wow, such a nice surprise, Christina.
Thanks for coming.
Yeah, what good timing.
Yes,
Seriously,
exactly.
this will make it go much faster.
And then will be much tastier.
Yeah,
And
so
we had extra helper.
that's a good tip. Gather your friends and family to help you get the job done quicker. And everyone can eat faster.
Yeah.
It's a win-win.
Win-win.
All right. Are we?
Good job,
Eggs are
Christina.
prepped.
Then, oh, look at this jar. We were just talking about Bosnian wild strawberries.
Yeah.
And it happened that I have a jar for my milk that you would need here. Actually 2 cups of milk.
And we're just putting it in the eggs.
Yeah. How about if you first little bit,
Stir the eggs.
yeah, whisk
Whisk,
the eggs.
whisk the eggs.
Whisk
Got
the
it.
Whisk it.
Whisk
Whisk it real good.
Whisking the eggs.
Okay, yeah, mixing.
Whisk it. Whisk it. Whisk it real good, Christina.
Whisking it.
Yes, whisk it. Shayla, how about if you also, you don't need this anymore.
Okay.
Yeah. Here
Set
is
that aside.
9 by 11.
9 by 11 pan.
Yeah, put a little bit olive oil on the bottom, then brush.
Okay, eggs are
Okay.
whisked. Putting in
Yeah,
milk.
2 cups of milk.
Is that good?
Yeah, let's see. Oh yeah, she did good job.
2 cups of milk.
Good job. Yes, a little bit more. Fill it up.
Then brush.
More. Oh, it's okay.
Okay, so that's 1.
1. Perfect.
And then, and the second cup.
Perfect.
So 2 cups milk.
Yeah. Wow, look at this. Oh, that is very unusual.
Perfect.
Unusual. You did good job. Yeah.
Did I do a good job?
Oh,
kidding.
how you can do a bad job, Shayla. Yeah, let's
Okay.
whisk that a little bit
Whisking
more.
the mixture.
Yeah. Then next one will be Mexican crema or sour cream. That
And
will
how
be
much of this?
And then you will measure 1 cup of sour cream in this cup.
Okay.
Are we okay there? Yeah.
Yeah. Looking good.
Looking
Then-
good.
Am I just dumping it all
Yes,
in?
just dump in. Perfect. Yeah. Good job, Christina.
Thank you. I'm learning so much already.
Oh yeah.
Okay, and then mixing it.
Yes, mix.
Yum.
Then I think you should put a little bit of salt in that cream. Salted this.
I can do the pinch of salt.
Of course. Shayla can do a pinch of salt.
Go.
Thanks. You're so cute, helper. I'm so happy. I have even bonus helper, Christina. Christina, you have not been yet to Bosnia,
No.
but you've been exploring lots of Bosnian cuisine in this house.
Whenever we have friends coming over, or my friends or your friends, they know that they're gonna eat good here.
That's a
It's gonna
fact.
be.
Now we have to layer our Musaka. You are going to be in charge of cream.
Okay.
You are going to be in charge of meat mixture.
Okay, I can do that.
Perfect. Then I'm going to be in charge of potatoes. What you have to do, you have to layer these potatoes.
So you're layering the potatoes. Make sure
Yes.
the bottom that is covered.
Yes, it's kind of like a double layer of potato just to make sure to completely cover.
That there's no empty spaces.
Yeah, kind of. You're trying to not even empty
As
spaces
you can see.
will be filled up with the cream.
Oh.
Delicious cream that we made. See, this is how you layering these beautiful potatoes. This is how looks first layers. This is how much you have to cover. Then let's place now meat mixture. Let's dump here like this. Perfect.
Spread it
Yes, let's spread
evenly.
evenly. Then we are going to cover this meat mixture. Sheila, do you mind
Yeah.
helping
Let's
this
do it.
process?
Keep the teamwork going.
Yeah, then remember you covering same way like you covered first layer, kind of like a little bit double-ish.
Some overlapping
Yes.
going on,
Yeah,
just to make sure it's completely covered.
yeah, but now you actually want this top layer to be prettier than bottom. Just,
Oh,
you know, for
that's a good
present-
tip.
yeah, for presentation.
Yeah, I didn't know that.
Perfect. Then now it's time for you, Christina, to pour cream or Musaka.
Perfect.
Do
Slowly.
the honors.
Yeah, it's your turn.
And how much do I add?
Just until before surface, before cream hit the surface. Perfect.
Perfect.
This is how it looks like before the oven. Shayla, do you mind placing in the oven our Musaka
to.
slowly?
Yes, I would love to. Thank you, Christina.
Yes, 400 Fahrenheit.
For how long?
I would say probably about 45 to 50 minutes.
8 minutes. We're gonna take the ultimate moussaka out of the oven. Oh my gosh, it looks perfect.
Oh yeah.
Good thing I did it all by myself.
Oh, looks yummy. Good job, Shayla. Wow, looks really yummy.
Ooh. Oh, one thing it's missing. Ready?
Yeah.
He loves me. He loves me not. He loves me, of course. Duh.
Let us try now.
Yeah.
So excited.
Wow, it looks so delicious.
Oh
Can't
my
wait to
god,
try.
I'm so excited. Let us cut.
Let's see all the layers.
Yeah.
Is that what it is?
Yeah. Who's gonna do it
First.
first?
Me.
Oh,
Mine.
Okay.
I'll
Who's
do you
next?
next.
I'm next.
Ooh. You get the pretty piece.
Voila, this is pretty one.
Oh my gosh, can you smell this? Look at these layers.
Whoa.
Look at these layers.